Hello everyone! Alright, I am back in my closet and I just realized I forgot to turn on these lights. Yep, I love these lights. I feel like I'm in a boutique every time I turn them on. Now these lights up there, that's actually Christmas lights. I thought it would give such character to my closet and I love it so much. If you guys have not guessed, yes, this unit is from IKEA. I designed it myself and I'm very proud of it. So me and my husband don't have a lot of clothes. I mean, he has two sections here. I have two sections over there. I have my drawers just for pants, everyday shirts. He has his little shoe rack for church shoes. My stool because sometimes I cannot reach these. I need some help. Now these bins are actually more for like winter items, jackets, sweaters. I have some skirts, some dresses. I'm still trying to lose weight, so I did store them up there. Now, for my purses, as you can see, I actually shifted my Michael Kors over here. I'm using my blue Kate Spade at the moment. I wanted to touch base a little bit on why I have so much Michael Kors, and it actually all starts with this red one right here. My husband got me this. This is my very first Michael Kors. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it was our first anniversary or second anniversary. And we're going on 11 years. So December 15 is our anniversary. I got this. Now for Christmas, just a few days later, I got this white one, which you guys, the quality is so amazing. No, I am not sponsored by Michael Kors. I'm not trying to get you guys on Michael Kors, but when I saw it, or even like the styles, I mean, I was obsessed. Now I have this yellow one, which is like a very bold statement piece. I have my red one with the studs. I have the blue one, which I don't even know what to call this pattern, but it's so cool. I love this one. Now my second brand is the Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade and her designs. I have this one, Kate Spade. This one is just, oh my gosh, I don't even know what you are. Hold on. There you go, Rebecca something. Minkoff. So, I mean, I do have regular purses. I got from TJ Maxx, from Marshalls, so on and so forth. I even have, check this out. I have the Young Living Essential Oil purse. You guys, this was a limited time edition, which of course I had to grab it. And it's such a pretty pink fuchsia. I don't even know what this color is. So I have these, and I have hand-me-down purses. I will not refuse any hand-me-down purses, especially if they're pretty, like this one. Hold on, I gotta show you guys. Like, what a pretty clutch. So yeah, any hand-me-downs I will take. So let's get to the shoes. Now I have this empty spot because I shifted over my Michael Kors. I do have these winter boots over here. Now in Arizona we don't get snow, but it does get pretty cold in the winter time, especially if you go to Flagstaff, Pine Top, so on. So maybe I will put them up there. So, and then this section right here are my scarves and head coverings for my church. So it's very convenient because if I grab a skirt, top, or a dress, I come here, look and see what would match. And then right here I have my mirror. So I want to get to these shoes today, take them down, wipe the shelves, hopefully get to these drawers because I have little headbands, scarves, so on and so forth. Like I said, we're very minimalistic, so these drawers don't have a lot of stuff. I do have like the winter scarves, like the coverings. I want to fold them, see what I'm keeping. Here I think I have hats. I don't even know what's in this drawer, honestly. I don't know. I'll show you guys. So I have like my dress slips, my tank tops. I will show you guys what is going on in my closet. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I want to get into these drawers. Let me see if I'm going to get to them today. So, like I said, here's like hats, my miscellaneous purse straps. Oh, actually, I also have for like the shoes. I actually have for like the shoes if my heel thing breaks. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep it in this drawer. Here I have, okay, so here is where my like winter covers start. Oh, and my hats. Yeah, for winter. So I actually made this, and a few of these they're knitted, but then I have, oh, this one's fun. I have this one, I have like, and yes, I do have a Michael Kors hat. I think I'm just gonna leave this drawer. Maybe I'll attack it when winter comes. In this drawer, I have my kind of everyday church covers, or if I'm going somewhere fancy, just to kind of keep me warm. But I think I'm actually gonna leave it like this. I don't know if I'm gonna get to that drawer. And my little tank tops, my covers. So yeah, okay, I think I'm done for today. So this is what I did today. My shoes, which I think I do like those boots up there. And then my little headband drawers. Next, I'll get to the rest of the closet. So stay tuned.